Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I'm going to be opening up my new 𝘰𝘗 subscription box. I know nothing about this. I did not see any spoilers at all this time, not a picture, nothing. So I have no idea what's inside here, but it arrived on my doorstep a couple days ago and I'm just so excited to open it with you. It says desk aesthetic. There are not too many things a new notebook or pad of paper cannot solve. So maybe it's like office-y related. I don't know. That's just a guess. Let's check it out. This box is still available as of the time of this filming, and it's a quarterly subscription box. You don't have to, you can sign up for the subscription box and get this one and then cancel. You don't have to keep it going, but if you don't cancel, you will get a box every quarter. It's a really good deal. I know it's kind of pricey. It's $75 and then shipping. So, but you always get such a great selection of product, and it's always such a good deal. It's always valued at so much more than you pay. I do have a code for 𝘰𝘗. It's PWB10 for 10% off, but you can't use it on the subscription boxes, unfortunately. But I will always appreciate when you use my links. Okay, let's open this baby up and check it out. The side has scissors and pencils. I don't like what they've done with the boxes. Like, I want to open it. Oh, wait, it does open this way. Because the last couple of boxes were really hard to open. Okay, good. Let's check it out. All right, so I'm just going to do something a little different, like take it all out. And put it all on the desk so we can see everything inside. Their packaging is always super cute, and it's always like color coordinated. I love it. So this is everything you receive inside the box. I see some, dual tip pens. Is that new? See, I haven't like looked into anything. These are definitely new. So I'm very like much surprised. Okay. We always get a card that comes with it. It says turn over for spoilers, and then it shows you everything there, but I'm not going to show you. I'm just using it as reference in case I don't know what something is. All right, I guess now I'll move everything over and then we'll check everything out. One at a time. I may end up canceling my subscription after this box just because I've been getting this subscription for years and I have so many things that I'm not using. So I don't know. I always say that and I don't, but I think this time I might, because I do pay for this with my own money and I feel like I have so much stuff as it is. Okay, let's check it out. First, let's look at this little memo pad. Sorry, my desk is dirty. Yikes. I always notice that on haul videos because like my desk isn't covered the whole time. Oh, how cute is that? Look, there's like a gold push pin on the front. Very cute. It's just a little memo pad. The one side is graph paper and the other side is like regular notebook paper. It's very cute. And it's just like a nice soft white. Like it's not quite cream, it's just very soft white. I really like that. It smells very good. Ignore my bad manicure. I need to do my nails tonight. So if you're new here, I usually don't have a chip, but once in a while you'll get a chip. Let's look at the stickers. Sticker set, 2 sheets, matte finish. I always rip it because I'm impatient. I don't keep them in these anyway. I end up keeping them somewhere else. Okay, so we have 2 of each sheet, and this is what they look like. This one is a cool habit tracker, you guys. I love that because you get January through December, 1 through 31. That's awesome. Like that is such a small habit tracker for whatever you need. Like small as in it covers the whole entire year. You know what I mean? So I love this. I would put this like in the front of a journal, like in the beginning of the year, or like in the front of a planner. That's what I would do with it. And then we have other habit trackers here. And then you get 2, so you can track like 2 habits, really. 2 main habits, or use it for whatever you need. And then here we have mood tracker. Like you could color coordinate this too to be like a mood thing. Honestly, you can do what you want. But we have 2 mood trackers here. It goes 1 through 31, and then here's the little moods. And then you just check it off. I like that. And then we have these little guys, and these little guys, very, very cute. So descriptive, Mary Ellen. This is a B5 planning stencil. Now I do have a couple of B5 notebooks. I love the B5 notebooks because they're big. I use one for an actual like private journal that I don't show online. So let's see what this is. But I don't usually decorate it. I don't decorate that one. I just write in it. But this is a stencil. Should I take it out? I guess so. Oh, I was going to use it and show you, but I don't have to because it's right here. Like this shows you what it is. This is what it looks like. It comes with like the ruler on the sides. This side is centimeters, and then this side says boxes. Oh, that's really helpful. Because when you're using dot grid notebooks, like you can make individual, like if you get 4 dots, it makes like a box. So that's like measuring each line, each dot, right? See, it's like each dot. I love that. I love that because then you don't have to count. Because sometimes if you're making bullet journal spreads, like you have to really sit there and 1, 2, 3, 4. This you don't have to. Like if you're doing, 15 apart, you can just hold this down. And I love that. I will use that if I remember. And then we have, why are these numbered? I don't quite know. Let me read the thing. It says, it has arrived. If you love the A&O planning stencil, you will be so glad to have this addition to your tools for planning bigger pages and spreads. I actually don't know if I have the one for like A5. I might. So anyway, this is what it looks like. What you get. Yeah. This is nice. This is really thick. I don't like it when stencils are super thin. I hate that actually. So this is very hardy, What a cute little composition notebook box. Love it. We have some washi tape. I will put these out on paper. I'm going to wait until I open one of the notebooks and put it on the notebook. All right. So we'll set that aside. And the next thing I'm opening is a notebook. So we have a dot grid A5 size. I love the moment when I pull the box top off and see what it is. It's like, I still don't know, right? It's like a little mystery. Ooh, I see a little peek though. Oh, cute. It's like that other box. How cute is this? I love this, you guys. It's gorgeous. It's like a little composition notebook, and it says composition notebook, but you have scallops on the side, and it's such a pretty like little light teal color. Even the elastic is so cute. Let's see what it says. Full cover composition design printed on vegan leather with gold foil details. 192 dot grid pages of our signature 160 GSM paper. Let's check it out. I have to smell it. You know it. Oh my God, I love that smell. Love the smell. Oh look, we have gold paper clips on the inside. How cute. This book belongs to. And then the dot grid pages. We have the pocket in the back. Let's check out the ribbon. It all coordinates so nicely. We have this like very muted, almost grayish teal color ribbon. So cute. Okay, let's check out that washi tape while we have this notebook open. Let me just take a second and I will swatch it for you. All right, so this is what they look like. I think this is great because there's some function here. We have some functional like check boxes. You could also use this for just a decorative tape. It's like a bunch of different colors. I think that's cute. We have an hourly tape here. I don't know what is that on the side? Oh, it's just like gold leaves. But yeah, hourly. So that's also very functional. And then we have a ruler here with centimeters. And then this is so cute with like the flowers and the leaves and the ruler and stuff, the paper clips. So cute. But I'm going to take this off because I feel like if I don't take it off on camera, I will forget. And I want to take it off. Okay. Very cute. I love this one. See, this is like, do I really want to end my subscription? Add this baby to my collection. There's another notebook in here too. Let's see that. This is a B5. Oh, cute. Look how cute that is. So it says, trade up that old bent spiral notebook for this beautiful hardcover vegan leather notebook with 112 dot grid pages of our signature 160 GSM paper. So this is white paper as well. All right, love the size, excuse me. I think I use a B6 for my journal, not a B5. But this feels so nice. It just feels luxurious, you know? I love this on the side. I think that's gorgeous. It feels so good. So we have this cute little pattern inside. Here's your paper. Here's your pretty ribbon. Love it so much. And these two coordinate, like these boxes are always so color coordinated and stuff. Look how cute these are together. Oh my gosh. I just want to put them on my desk. If my desk was clean, I would like put these on my desk with like a pretty gold pen or something and just like keep them there. My desk is never clean. So I feel like I can't have that aesthetic in my office, you know? Oh, but it's so cute. We're gonna put this back in its home. Welcome to the family, little one. It will go on the bookshelf soon. All right. Next up, we have a journal case. Now, I'm not really a fan of the journal cases usually, just because I don't really, like, I like the covers so much of the journals that I don't really like to cover the covers, if that makes sense. But I think if you're someone who like takes your journal a lot of places, you don't want it to get scuffed up, or you just like the look of it, I could see using it. But let's check it out and see what this looks like. Wait, let's see what it says first. A5 zipper folio with plenty of space for your A5 notebook and the accessories you want to keep on hand at all times. Zip it up and keep it safe between journaling sessions. Yeah, this is like more for if you're someone who takes your journal on the go and wants to keep pens with it and stuff. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It says Arch and Olive on the back. It's embossed, or is that embossed? I always forget the terms. Anyway, it's bumpy. It's so pretty. Let's open it up. We have like a silver zipper. Actually, it's a silver zip pull, but the zipper itself is brown. So we have spaces for pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pens. I don't know what this is for. What is that for? But I guess you could snap things on there. A couple of pockets here. I'm not really familiar with using cases, so forgive me if I do it wrong. But I guess, sorry for the washer noise. You hear that? My washer is so loud when it goes through the spin cycle. So I guess you do this, right? And I don't want to zip the, hold on. It sounds like an airplane's taking off. Anyway, you have that there, you have your pockets, and then you just zip it up and take it with you. Wherever you go, it's protected, all of that. So if you do like taking your journal places, this is great for you. For me, I don't really take it anywhere. Once in a while, I actually have a little one I throw in my purse, but it's just a small one, and I don't need a case for that. Anyway, this is pretty. It will probably go in my Patreon giveaway box. The last thing I have to show you are these dual tip pens. These are definitely new to Archer and Olive. I'll read what it says. It says, Archer and Olive is venturing into fine liners, but we couldn't stop there. These dual tip pens feature a 0.4 millimeter fine tip and a 3 millimeter chisel tip in colors you'll love. Unfortunately, I did already look at these colors, so I'm not gonna be able to guess the names, but let's take a look. They come with like this, they don't come with the names on them. You have to put them on yourself, which I probably won't do because I'm lazy, but you never know. All right, so I'm excited about this because I love Archer and Olive pens. They're always so high quality, and this is just like a new type of pen for them. So we have, this is the one tip, the chisel tip, and this is the fine liner tip. So let's check it out. Okay, so that writes very smoothly. Let's see the other side. I actually really like that. This one, I guess, is called Barely Pink. To be honest, this does not look pink at all to me. I mean, barely, you know, I don't see it at all. It's like a very light, like orangey tan with, I don't know, taupe-ish undertones. I'm not sure, but I don't see much pink there. Let's see, which one is this? Ooh, that's pretty. This one, I'm assuming, is Salted Sea. I don't know why I wrote my L like that. Weird. This one, I guess, is New Gray. I love the way these write. This is Green Tea. And the last one is Eucalyptus. I can do a planner test. It's obviously, these are obviously going to be fine on bullet journal paper, but I can grab my planner and just do like a ghosting test. I don't think you're going to get any kind of ghosting or anything with these. These are very sort of light. They don't feel too heavy. So, but let me get my planner anyway. I'm going to test on a page in the back because I'm not going to be using this planner all year. So we are going to just go ahead and try it. So let's just say today, like maybe very slightly, there's a couple of little dots, but it's not bad. It seems to be just like any other fine liner. Let's do another color. We'll do Appointment. I don't see that at all. So yeah, I think it's just going to be like any other fine liner or any other marker in general. You're always going to see, not always, but most of the time you see a tiny bit on the other side with the Happy Planner paper. So yeah, I'd say perfectly fine to use these in your planner. So that's everything. Let me know in the comments what your favorite thing out of this box was, and also, do you get the subscription box? I would like to know. Again, don't forget that affiliate link is in the description box of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.